All right, so this right here is sort of like my coffee drink station here. And today I thought we'd talk about the Keurig a little bit. This is the Keurig I have. It's the 1 cup sort of maker here. You put the cup at the bottom, you have your reservoir on the back, and it's a very sleek, slim, basic Keurig. And the reason why I wanted to review this one here is because this is the one that has outlasted the bigger ones that I had the one that had the full carafe on the side where you can make a full pot of coffee. 2 of those have broken on me, but this one always comes back and I always have to bring it back up here because it works. You have power and everything. Let's actually make a coffee here. So first thing, you have your reservoir here. I lost the lid, but that's okay. So I just grabbed some filtered water. It clips back on like super easy compared to the larger one that used to give me a hard time putting it back in. I'd constantly have to try to figure out the puzzle piece of it. Pops open, manual kind of thing. I just take the old K-Cup out, grab a new one, put it in. Very simple. If you've ever used a Keurig before, you can choose between 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, and a strong option. So let's go strong 12. And what's cool about this one now as well is it instantly heats up. Maybe in like 10-15 seconds, it's heating up and you've got some hot water. I don't know why always hot water, but all of my Keurigs do that where the hot water starts first. And there you go. About 20 seconds total and you've got coffee coming out. I also like the fact that this one doesn't splash outwards. The larger one that I had that had the coffee machine beside it made a big mess and would splash out all along the floor here. So this is also a little bit cleaner. I'll show you from a distance. Side view, but it doesn't get any more basic than this. This is your basic entry level, I believe, Keurig machine. It holds a good amount of water in the back. You can make about 3 cups or 4 cups, not 100% sure, but enough that you're not constantly filling it up. You could get through if you drink 1 or 2 a day, maybe filling it once a day or once every other day. I pretty much fill it once every other day. But yeah, that is the entry level, in my opinion, to the Keurig coffee machine. So if you're in the market for a new Keurig or you're looking for a small compact Keurig machine, this one right here might be for you. They have a few, but this is the one I'm using and I've used it for a few years and I constantly come back to it as my old ones keep breaking. But that is it. That's about 12 ounces of coffee in the strong format and it's quite hot, so I never can drink it right from the end. Give it about, I don't know, 5 minutes and it's drinkable. But there it is. Check it out if you're interested.